Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. In this meditation, we will use our minds to create an imaginary water gun adventure, splashing and laughing as we embark on an epic water battle. Find a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down, close your eyes, and get ready for this refreshing journey. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension or worries from your body and mind. Imagine yourself standing in a lush green backyard on a warm, sunny day. You can feel the soft grass beneath your feet and hear the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. As you look around, you notice a table filled with colorful water guns of different shapes and sizes. Take a moment to choose a water gun that speaks to you, one that feels just right in your hands. Feel the coolness of the plastic against your skin as you pick it up. Now, envision your friends joining you, each with their own water guns in hand, ready for a playful water battle. See their excited faces, hear their laughter, and feel the anticipation building within you. Take a moment to appreciate the camaraderie and friendship that surrounds you. As you prepare for the water battle, take a deep breath in and imagine filling your water gun with magical water. This water is refreshing and invigorating, like a burst of energy. Feel the weight of the water gun in your hands, and notice how the excitement starts to build within you. In your imagination, envision a wide open space filled with obstacles, trees, and hiding spots. The area is perfect for an epic water gun battle. The air is filled with excitement and anticipation as you and your friends take your positions. As the battle begins, picture yourself running and dodging, giggling with delight as the cool water sprays through the air. Feel the droplets gently landing on your skin, refreshing and revitalizing you. Each burst of water brings a wave of joy and laughter. Visualize the vivid colors of the water, as if each droplet carries a magical hue. Imagine the sound of laughter and the splashing of water filling the air as you playfully engage in the water gun battle. Feel the fun and excitement bubbling up inside you. As the battle continues, allow yourself to let go of any worries or concerns. Embrace the present moment, fully immersed in the joy of the water gun adventure. Notice the sense of freedom and lightness that comes with each splash of water. As the water gun battle comes to a close, imagine a peaceful moment of stillness and calm. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin as you take a moment to catch your breath. Take this opportunity to express gratitude for the joyful experience and the laughter shared with friends. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in, feeling a sense of gratitude for the playful water gun adventure you have just experienced. Carry the memories of laughter, joy, and connection with you, knowing that you can tap into this playful energy whenever you need it. As you return to your surroundings, remember the joy and laughter that come with playful water gun battles. Cherish the friendships, connection, and sense of adventure that these moments bring. May this guided meditation inspire you to embrace the playful spirit within you and create joyful memories through water fun. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.